Hi, this is Bob Buckwalder at Buckwalder Greenhouse. It's first week of January, and we're already starting to think spring. I'm in the process of sticking Citronella geraniums, which we sell a lot of because they actually repel mosquitoes. So even though it's 10, 15 degrees outside, we're thinking about those warm summer nights, fireworks. Having a citronella geranium around your patio helps deter mosquitoes. So we're thinking about those things. So we're taking cuttings now. These cuttings are going to go into 6-inch pots. And we're going to do over 100 of them. And we take them off of mother plants, we call them stock plants, and then we stick them in the soil. So this is a stem that I broke off. They're a little long, but we don't need this whole stem. So we just take off the tip. And I just take it and snap it. If there's too many leaves, you can just break off the extra leaf and then just take it and stick it in the soil, kind of press it down, and you're good to go. In about 3 weeks, they'll have roots, and we'll repot them into 6.5-inch pots for next spring. So even though it's cold outside, I've already got 60 plants right here, potential for next year. I still have some more to take. And we keep these from year to year. And then we'll take more. If you don't want a larger pot, you can grow them on yourself from a 4.5-inch pot. But spring is starting to roll in. We're in winter, but spring's coming. Hang on, people. We'll make it. Pansies and primroses just came in an hour or two ago. We'll be potting those up tomorrow. So it's just good to see something green. I wish we had smell-o-vision because these things smell amazing. It's just good to smell that citronella scent. And it's chemical free. You can rub it on your skin and it'll repel mosquitoes away. You just might want to test a small area on your arm or somewhere first to make sure you're not allergic. Because I'm actually allergic to geraniums. It's kind of crazy. I'm allergic to my work. But these will be a great item in the spring. They go out pretty fast. So you want to make sure you get them early. We'll start probably having them available the end of April, the first part of May. So think spring. Spring's coming. So this is the citronella mother plant. We call them stock plants. And I've already taken some cuttings off of this, but I need a few more, so I'm going back and looking for ones I missed. And so here's one I missed. And you can see where I snapped some off earlier. So I just take my finger like below the leaf node. This is the leaf node here. And you just bend it and snap it, and then you just clean it up, and now it's ready to stick. So these were planted back in the summer. And you can see here's another one here. And you just have to look for them. And you just bend and snap, and you have them. So that's how you can propagate your geranium. Some people, we were talking, try to keep them over winter upside down in the basement. You can do that. It's just geraniums will get viruses, and they don't grow as well and perform as well. So we don't recommend people do that. We just say come back, get new ones, because all ours are grown from index plants that don't have viruses. They've been proven not to have viruses. But the citronella is a plant that they don't really bloom, so we don't have to worry about their blooming. They just grow like crazy. So that's a little bit about geraniums, an old plant that's still around today, and these are nice. There's some other scented geraniums over here that we're growing too. I don't know, I think we have pineapple, and I don't know what this one is. There's several varieties we have. So that's how we get our citronella geraniums.